Where does mass come from? I mean ordinary mass. You, me, apples, tables, cars, pretty much everything. Is it gravity? Not really. Higgs mechanism. You'd be only 1% right. Over 99% of the mass reside in the heart of the atom, the nucleus. The nucleus is made up of quarks and gluons, but the quarks itself has very little mass, and gluons have no mass. So all of the mass is somehow generated from the interaction between quarks and gluons. And how that happens exactly is something we don't understand to this day. Imagine if you knew exactly how quarks and gluons worked, in the same way we understand how electricity works. Knowing and exploring how electricity works makes our modern life possible, makes our cars go, makes our smartphones work. What if we could study quarks and gluons in exactly the same way? Then we would have the possibility of unlocking the remaining 99% of the potential of all the substances around us, and help us to explain the universe in an even more precise way than we do now. The implications are unimaginable. Scientists are proposing to take a giant step in this adventure of discovery by building an Electron-Ion collider, or an EIC. Miles in circumference. It'll take many years to build and many more years to complete its studies. There's never been anything like it. It's going to transform our understanding of the natural world.